Right here. Oh. Oh. Are you using daddy to stand up?
She's like getting on her feet.
You're getting so good. Yeah, you're kidding me.
Look at you. Get up on your feet.
Oh, you want to do it again? Okay. Oh, you're drooling on me. You're drooling on me.
Getting
You can try and squish me.
Wow.
What are you whining about? I think I know what you want.
Okay, let's do it.
Is this what you want? Oh, looks like it. Looks like we know what Annabelle wanted. Now let's see what happens when we try and set her down. We can hear screams. Okay. You trying to get up yourself? Okay, let's get you back up. I'm sorry.